Ben from Silva's here, folks, today with the Silva Scout 2X headlamp. This headlamp is super simple, super affordable, and really durable, perfect for any outdoor escapade. And Silva is quite well known for the compasses that they've made for many, many years, but not many people know that they've actually made head torches since right back to about 1935, I think was their first one. And this Scout series of headlamps is their base level series, but they're really functional, really simple, and really well made, and most importantly, they're really affordable as well. This guy measures about 51 grams when it's empty, about 83 grams with the batteries inside, and measures about 5.5 centimeters by 4 centimeters by about 3.5 centimeters this way. It has an ABS plastic housing on it. It's really well made. It feels really strong and durable, and the batteries go in this side here. There's a little lift cap on the side there. If we pop that up, that opens up. You can see the 3 AAA batteries that are included pop in the side there, and there's a seal around here that seals up against this edge. So when that pushes closed, and it pushes closed nice and firmly, it has an IPX5 water resistant rating, which means it can stand jets of water from any angle for sort of any period of time. So really, really water resistant for any outdoor activity. Now it's really simple make. The headband though is nice and thick. It's got this sort of rubbery sort of strip around here, which has got a little bit of a sticky feel about it. So when that goes on your head, it doesn't slip around, and it's just adjusted by this band here. So that green bit just slides back and forward, and it's nice and comfortable on your head. I'll just put it on for you now to show you that this feels nice and soft. The thick band sits nice and smooth around my head. It doesn't want to bounce around because of that rubbery sort of panel around there. And it's firm enough so that when I want to tilt it at the front here, the band doesn't tilt with it, but yet this doesn't want to fall down while I'm, say, if I'm running with it or if I get knocked or anything. It's a good balance of how firm that pivoting action is there. I just want to show you the LEDs that are on the front of this, because they call it, I think they label it as smart lighting, but there's 2 LEDs and they both operate at the same time. This one on this side has got a focus light and then a diffuse light on this side here. So when you're operating up close, that diffuse light, I'll show you more on that shortly, allows you to read, but then the focus light gives you a bit more of a distance sort of focus to see further. It operates really simply with the button on the top, and there's just 2 modes. So one press turns it on, that's the highest setting, which will give us up to 35 hours of run time. And then we press it again, it goes to the low setting, which will give us up to 70 hours of run time. That'll just keep flicking between high and low. You got to hold it down to turn it off again. And if we hold down on the button, it goes to a red mode as well, and that you have to hold down on the button again to turn that off. And you don't know if you can just see it, but there is a green light inside there now. When you turn it off, I'll just do that again. You can see there's a green light in there. That's a battery indicator as well. Now I just want to show you down here on a bit of a white panel here what the beam looks like. So this is the highest setting here, which is a 300 lumens or a 60-meter beam distance. We can see if we can move in closer. We've got this focus spot in the middle and a diffused light around the outside. You can't turn either of those off. Both of these LEDs operate at the same time. If I press it again, it goes to the low mode, which is 50 lumens and about a 30-meter beam distance or thereabouts. Hold it down and the torch switches off again. That is the Scout 2X headlamp from Silva. Feels like a really durable unit in my hand. There's nothing creaky about this at all. It feels really well made, and they're really affordable. You can check these out online at snowies.com.au, where you'll find them at our lowest prices every day. But if you've got any questions, let us know down in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for all of our latest information, or check out some other head torches like this one down here.